Hello, this is Michael Ruiz. Welcome to the second video on a series of videos demonstrating how to set up an electronic portfolio. We're going to pick up where we left off from the first video. So I'm going to go to www.weebly.com, log in. And hopefully you won't have as much trouble as I'm having, because you wrote yours down. Alright, here we go. And I'm initially going to see your site here that you've created. Now we're going to edit this website by just clicking edit. We don't need to add a site. We've already put one up there. Okay. Now we're going to continue to hit edit every time we go in. This should return you to your existing portfolio. In this video, we're going to set up a series of menus that go across the top of the screen. Just to help you have something to reference, I would recommend that you go up and click on a tab in Firefox to open up a new window. Okay, and this is, I'm going to give you a web address that I've set up just to kind of give you a reference so that you can see which one you need to go to. Okay, alright, so the address that I want you to navigate to now is cagrayvideo.weebly.com. Okay, and this is a site in progress. I just made it today. So, but all you're doing is just looking at how the different pages are set up. And in my particular class, my students are going to be setting up 4 different pages for their website. The first page will be called Video Journals. The next page, Questions for Thought. The next page, My Vlogs. And the last page, My Group Videos. Now you'll need to check with your teacher to make sure that he or she wants you to set up these exactly the same way. But in my class, again, these are the different pages that my class will have at this time. We may add more later. Okay, so check with your teacher now and find out what pages you would like he or she would like for you to have. Okay, now that you have a sample to go by, let's go back to your site and start making these pages. So I'm going to click back on my website, and it's as simple as clicking pages and adding pages. You just click the orange plus add page. Now depending on what particular page you're adding, it depends on how it needs to be set up. So I'm going to cheat and go back to the model site, Video Journal. Okay, it's kind of set up as like a blog. So I'm going to go back and set up a blog page for my video journal. So title it Video Journal. And I'm going to choose the short header and save and edit. I've just created my first page. Okay, I'm going to cheat back and I'm going to go set up a page for Questions for Thought. Okay, and this is kind of the same like a journal. Kind of the same way like a blog. So I'm going to set up another page by clicking on Pages, New Page, Add a Page, Blog Page, and it's telling me that I can set up pages under pages for sub-pages. Okay, I appreciate that. And here I'm going to click Add Page. I'm going to do another blog. And the name of this one, again, cheat back, is going to be Questions for Thought. And as you're working through your modules in class, some of the assignments may tell you to go to your Questions for Thought page and answer this question. And this is the page that you'll go to. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing as before. Click Short Header, Save and Edit. Alright, you kind of get it, the processed by now. So now I want you to, your assignment is to go in and add the pages that your teacher wants you to have on your portfolio at this time. Okay, remember, as you're making these changes, it's not going to stick online until you actually click the publish button, and then it will be saved and on your website. Okay, and always click X after it says it's published. Remember, this is going to start charging you money, so we don't want to do any of that. We want to go ahead and click that X. Now it's published. Just some tips here. Notice when I go to the model site, I have all of my pages showing up across the top. I like this. Okay, Weebly here has just set up my first page, and then I have to click more for other pages to show up. I don't too much like this. So let me show you how to change that so you can set it up where all your pages are showing up at one time. Okay, to do that, you'll simply click on Settings and scroll down to where it says Navigation and uncheck that box that says Group Excess Pages under More. Then click Publish. Click X. Go back to your main site, to your Build tab, and as you'll notice, now all my pages are showing up. Okay, I would recommend that you do this. This concludes this video. Thank you for your attention, and now I will end this video so that you can finish creating the different types of pages for your portfolio. Thank you very much.